So in this video, I'm going to show you how to use a foam roller as well as a ball to start to release the muscles between our shoulder blades as well as the front of the back of our shoulder. Okay, we're going to start between our shoulder blades. And so what I want you to do, we're going to take the roller, we're going to put it behind our back here, and we're just going to kind of, put our arms to the wall if we can. Just let our arms sink down and just let it sink in. Okay, and just kind of, I can walk my feet out a little bit to kind of flatten my back against this thing. And just relax and just let it sink in. And as I relax, just kind of feel the roller kind of penetrate between my shoulder blades here. Deep breath in. Exhale. I'm going to come between my shoulder blades here. I'm just going to show you a technique here where take a deep breath in and we're just letting it roll from side to side. So breathe in. I exhale. I'm going to roll to one side, come over my shoulder blade muscle. One more time, deep breath in. I exhale, roll over my shoulder blade muscle. Other side, deep breath in. I exhale, rotate across that shoulder blade. One more time, deep breath in. Exhale, and I rotate across that shoulder blade. Now the other one is called a snow angel there. And what I do is I take a deep breath in, I exhale, and just kind of move my arms up and down. Come down a little further so you can see me here. Deep breath in. Exhale. Bring my arms up and down, but you'll feel a nice massage for your scapular muscles, and that's a good thing. Now for the front and back of our shoulder, what I'm going to have you do here is we're going to take our tennis ball and we're going to find kind of the front of our shoulder here. Okay, it could be anywhere in this area, but what I'm going to do, I'll do it on this side so you can see me. I'm going to cross my arm behind me. I'm just going to let the ball sink in here. I could put more pressure by walking my body out a little bit. I could put less pressure by walking in. But again, I'm just breathing, letting it sink in. Just exhaling. As I'm doing that, I'm just gradually kind of like turning my body a little bit into the ball. Just letting it tell the ball to let go, sink in. Now for our last area here, we're just going to put this right behind kind of my armpit. So this is between... It's kind of like where my arm comes in and starts to go down on my back here. It's in this area. This is a rotator cuff muscle. It's kind of hard to see, but again, I'm walking out. Let's try that again. I'm going to find a spot where I can kind of hold the ball there. I'm just going to do this with my arm. Really kind of fire that area up. I want to try to let that area relax as much as possible. Again, if you feel any tingling or pinching when you're doing that, stop. That's not a good thing. But again, try that. Let me know if you have any questions, and enjoy.